Let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, guys, today we've got a classic sovereign citizen case in court, and this time, it's a guy who refuses to pay his rent. Of course, he's pulling the usual sovereign citizen script, but the funniest part is that he can barely even read through it. So you just know this one's going to be a disaster. Like, how do you walk into court, refuse to pay, and then act like you're above the law? Does he actually think the judge is just going to say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen? My bad, you're free to go"? Spoiler alert, that's not how the law works. Just wait till the end, because this judge is about to shut him down hard and make him pay the price for his nonsense. Let's dive in and watch this sovereign citizen train wreck unfold.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
I didn't know this little guy could read so well. Seriously, props to him for making it through the whole thing. I know reading is a very tough challenge for these sovereign citizens, so this is honestly impressive by their standards.
Citizens. And honestly, this is one of the best reading sovereign citizens I've ever seen in my life. And trust me, I've seen my fair share. But it literally sounds like he's reading off a poem he wrote to his mommy. A firming relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Like, seriously. Who wrote this dude's script? Like, I bet he probably got this off Reddit or YouTube or something. Like, there's just no way he came up with this stuff. This dude is seriously out here rambling about nonsense. And it's honestly kind of giving me a headache here. Like, the stuttering mixed with the nonsense, it's just too much, but that's what you expect from these idiots nowadays. And honestly, it kind of seems like his last two brain cells are kind of fighting to read off this little script he made. But nah, let me know what you guys think. Is he playing dumb here? Or is he just genuinely this stupid? Let's dive back in.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know if it's just me, but this sovereign citizen seems like the type of guy who'd fart and then try to sniff it because he actually likes the smell. This is the same dude who, back in school, would find a piece of gum under the desk, shrug, and just eat it like it's no big deal. And now, here he is in court, refusing to pay his rent while putting on a full-on acting performance like he's some kind of legal genius. Honestly, I can't get enough of how the judge is just licking his fingers and messing with this guy, patiently waiting to catch him in all of his nonsense. It's like watching a cat toy with a mouse before finally pouncing. Let's go ahead and dive back in.
Yes, Judge.
Calling case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
Unmute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So, good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day.
There's just no way this sovereign citizen is paying that much money each month. If he thinks he doesn't need to pay $500 for rent, what makes the court think he's suddenly going to cough up $700? This dude is already behind on payments, and now they expect him to pay more when he can't even wrap his head around basic court rules. But honestly, what's even weirder is how he just accepted the verdict at the end. Most of these guys usually start yelling and going off on the judge, but this guy just sat there like it was nothing. Maybe it's because he used all of his brain power reading a couple of paragraphs from his little script and didn't have the energy left to argue. I mean, it's kind of hilarious when you think about it. Funny when you think about it, these guys really believe they can dodge the law just by reading some random legal jargon off the internet. But in the end, the court always knows how to handle them, and this guy just learned that the hard way. Anyway, what did you guys think of this hearing? I thought it was really weird how he just kind of accepted it at the end, like no meltdown, no yelling, just took it. Let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll try to find the follow-up to this one because, let's be real, there's no way he actually paid. So stay tuned for that when I post it. I appreciate you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks again and take care, everyone.